Your gaming setup looks like it's stuck in 2010. Time for an upgrade that will leave your friends speechless. Today I'm showing you the ultimate gaming setup for under $3,000. From RGB lighting to the perfect console, this has everything you actually need. So subscribe to the channel for more gaming content, and let's get started. For the ultimate gaming setup, you need a solid foundation. And that's where the gaming desk from Eureka comes in. This L-shaped 60-inch glass surface gives you plenty of room for your monitor, keyboard, and everything else you need, while 27 music sync modes let your RGB lighting pulse perfectly in time with your gaming tracks. The 6mm tempered glass supports up to 155 pounds and adds a sleek look, while the height-adjustable PC tower stand positions your rig for optimal cooling. Whether you're grinding hours in Valorant or working on creative projects, this desk delivers the perfect workspace. $350 for the centerpiece of your setup, an investment that pays off every day. Would you build it left-facing or right-facing? Let's take a closer look at the hardware. So now that the perfect gaming desk is set up, you'll of course need a rock-solid monitor. And the Asus ROG Swift PG27UCDM is absolute perfection. 4K with 240 Hz and 0.03 milliseconds response time, faster than your nervous system can react. QD-OLED technology delivers colors so vivid they almost jump out of the screen, while the Neo proximity sensor automatically powers down to prevent burn-in. Plus, it matches the desk perfectly. DisplayPort 2.1a with 80 gigabits per second means zero compression and zero lag. You'll see every detail razor sharp while your opponents are still staring at pixelated mush. Whether it's Cyberpunk or Valorant, this monitor gives you every advantage. Costs $1,200, a Pro League investment for ultimate image quality. And now it gets exciting. Stay tuned. For the perfect setup, you'll also need a console with maximum power. And the Xbox Series X all-digital is pure gaming muscle. This digital powerhouse delivers 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS, so every game runs razor sharp. The genius part, you can pause multiple games at once and instantly switch between them. No annoying restarts or loading screens. 4 generations of Xbox titles run on it, many optimized and looking better than ever, while the lightning-fast SSD wipes out load times. With Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you get access to hundreds of top games and day-one releases like Call of Duty right at launch. Whether it's Halo, Forza, or Cyberpunk, this console turns every game into a visual spectacle. $550 for next-gen gaming power. And since the setup has to be insane, there's another console coming up. Yes, you heard that right. The setup needs another console, and what better choice than a PS5? This sleek digital edition packs monster power into a compact design, while the ultra-fast SSD wipes out loading times. A custom CPU and GPU bring the most intense games to life in breathtaking quality, while the DualSense controller's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers make every explosion physically tangible. 3D audio launches you straight into the action. You'll hear enemies before you see them. The digital version means games directly from the PlayStation Store, no disc clutter. With exclusives like Spider-Man, God of War, and Horizon, you'll experience gaming on a whole new level. $500 on Amazon for the complete package with controller and 1TB storage. Which console would you use more often, Xbox or PlayStation? But before we get to the perfect controls, let's talk about sound. Now that the foundation is complete, the ultimate gaming setup needs sound. And for that, we're using the Logitech G Astro A50X. PlaySync lets you switch between Xbox, PS5, and PC without swapping cables. One headset for all gaming platforms. The Pro G graphene drivers deliver every single footstep with crystal clarity, while Lightspeed Wireless ensures zero lag. HDMI 2.1 pass-through supports 4K at 120 Hz, and the broadcast quality microphone makes you a pro-level streamer. With 24 hours of battery life, you're set for endless gaming sessions. Just dock it into the magnetic base station. Whether it's a Warzone clutch or an Elden Ring boss fight, you'll hear every advantage before the competition. Around $400 for ultimate audio freedom. Quite a chunk of change. Would you pay that much to never switch cables again? Of course, you can choose the design however you like. I went with Fortnite, which fits perfectly with the setup. The Power Wireless controller for Xbox Series X and Series S is a true game changer against stick drift. Hall effect thumbsticks use contactless magnetic sensors, which means zero wear and tear and pro-level precision for years. The 4 programmable advanced gaming buttons let you assign combos on the fly during a match without going into the menu. 3-way trigger locks shorten travel distance for lightning-fast FPS reactions, while 30 hours of battery life keep your sessions going endlessly. Whether it's Fortnite build battles or Call of Duty clutches, this controller keeps up with your skill. $75 for durable pro performance, and we're not stopping there. Here comes the second controller. This controller has changed the gaming world forever. The PlayStation DualSense wireless controller makes gaming a physical experience. Haptic feedback lets you feel every step on sand or metal, while adaptive triggers provide real resistance. Drawing a bow suddenly feels real. You can actually feel the button pushing back. It's indescribable. The built-in microphone saves you from needing a separate headset, and with USB-C or Bluetooth, you can connect it to PS5, PC, or Mac. The enhanced speaker delivers crystal-clear sound effects straight from the controller. Every action becomes an experience right in your hands, no matter what game you're playing. Just like the previous controller, this one also costs $75. Which game would you try first with true haptic feedback? And so your controllers don't just end up lying around on the desk, we've got this. The KDD RGB Headset Stand with controller holder is the perfect finishing touch for your organized gaming setup. 9 different RGB lighting modes create the right atmosphere, from 7-color breathing light to solid options like red, blue, or purple. The 360-degree rotatable headset holder and detachable controller hooks can hold up to 4 controllers at once, while cable organizers keep everything neat. Non-slip rubber pads on the base guarantee stability, and soft protective cushions keep your gear safe from scratches. Plug and play via USB makes installation a breeze. The whole package goes for just $22 on Amazon, an absolute must-have for a well-organized gaming setup. And to make sure you're sitting comfortably at your desk, you'll need the right chair. The Razer Enki gaming chair is the ultimate comfort champion for endless gaming sessions without back pain. The 110-degree shoulder arches and ultra-wide 53-centimeter seat base distribute your weight perfectly, while the built-in lumbar arch provides ideal lower back support. The optimized cushion density combines a soft seat base with a firm backrest. The reactive tilt mechanism automatically adjusts to your weight, and the reclining angle of up to 152 degrees lets you lean back and relax. The memory foam head cushion molds perfectly to your head and neck. Whether it's a Valorant marathon or an RPG grind, this chair goes the distance. $600 for pro-level gaming comfort. But a perfect chair also needs the right lighting behind it. Now you just need some epic lighting and your setup is complete. The Govee Glide Hexalight panels are the game changer that brings your setup to life. These hexagonal LED wonders transform any wall into a dynamic gaming arena. RGBIC technology lets each edge glow in different colors, creating flowing gradients across your entire wall. 6 music sync modes make the panels pulse perfectly to every beat, turning your gaming tracks into a light symphony. The app automatically detects the position of each panel and makes rainbow effects flow seamlessly. Whether it's a cyberpunk vibe or a chill session, the mood adjusts automatically. $40 for 10 panels, cheaper than a premium game. Which color would make your gaming setup rock the hardest?